Hello everybody, today we are going to be making a bacteria cell. So I've already kind of made the cake, and so I'm going to ice it and put in all of the organelles and stuff. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is take this creamy supreme vanilla frosting, and this is going to act as the cytoplasm, and I'm going to try to get it open. Okay. Okay, there we go. And I need a knife. Okay, so we are going to spread this all around the top of the cake. And so cytoplasm in a cell is basically what holds everything together. And so that's why we're doing this first before we do any of the other organelles and stuff. Okay, so now we have the cytoplasm laid down, and so we can start, I'm just going to smooth it out a bit more, can start putting down all the organelles inside of this bacteria cell cake thing. Okay, so first we are going to make the nucleoid DNA, and for that job we are going to use Twizzlers. And we couldn't find any regular ones, so we have the multi-flavored ones. Okay, so the nuclear DNA is basically what has all of the DNA strands inside of it, and these Twizzlers are really annoying to get out. But, yeah. And so it's kind of long and stringy if you look it up. And so I'm just going to kind of place them down long and stringily. Here's another one. This is probably going to be more colorful than the actual inside of a bacteria cell. So it's not going to be exactly correct. But I think it's probably enough Twizzlers for the time being. Beautiful. And now we are going to do the ribosomes, which are going to be sprinkles, which I still have to open. Knife. Okay. I'm close. Okay, there. So, these are all going to be one color, not like the super colorful Twizzlers. And we're just going to kind of sprinkle them around. And they're kind of flying everywhere. And almost. Done. Even more beautiful. Okay. Now that we have those ribosomes, we are going to put in the cytoplasmic membrane. And what we're going to do for that is just, okay, here we go. Just going to take one of these beautiful icing tubes and squirt a membrane looking shape. These are harder to squirt than they look, and slowly but surely. Voila. And so we have that done. And now we are going to put in the flagella. And those are basically like little strings flying off of the bacteria. And once again, these beautiful, colorful Twizzlers are going to come in handy. So I'm going to take one and put it right there. So it may stick. Then take another and put it right there. And yet another right there. Another one right here. And then I'm going to take one more and put it in my mouth. Okay. Now we're going to do the cell wall. And so it's going to be another layer of tubing with a little green this time. It may come out a bit blue at first, just because I used blue last with this tip, so be blue for a bit and it'll magically turn green. Okay, so now that we have that, which is like a second layer of protection, and is also a bit blue right there, we are going to do the final piece, the capsule, or capsule, and that is going to be represented by more Creamy Supreme milk chocolate frosting. If I can get it open. Okay, there we go. Not quite, actually. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to get a new knife. And spread this on. beautiful kind of cake is done.